So you are the best people. Why you become the best people? When you make benefit for the people. And one of the quality, you command people for the good and you forbid people to do evil. And that is our system in Islamic law, that there should be a group which is appointed to forbid people to do evil, and which is also doing the commanding people to do good. Good means you give charity, or you pray, or you do. So here now we have this system of police in the Quran, that there should be a group which is responsible to forbid people to do evil, because police will not tell you do good, because the police is only limited to you cannot do evil, you cannot steal, you cannot cheat, you cannot rape, you cannot murder, you cannot make terrorism. So yan ang responsibility of the police. Ano yung responsibilidad ng police? Binawal ng yung masama. And that's a part of the Quran, that there should be a group among you who will command people to do good and who will forbid people to do evil. So the system of police in the Quran, that there should be a police which will tell to people, wag na gawin ng nakaw, wag na papatayin ng tao, wag na gawa ng masama, wag na gawa ng terorismo. So that's a good thing na yung ginawa ng mga pulis sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Yung Salam Police na isang initiative na galing sa mga Muslim sa Pilipinas, na ginawa nila na isang grupo sa under the umbrella of the PNP, na grupo ito pangalan niya Salam Police. Ano ibig sabihin ng Salam Police? Pulis ng kapayapaan. Pulis ng implement ng kapayapaan. Bawal benta ng shabu, bawal ginawa ng masama, bawal ang rape, bawal ang papatay ng tao, bawal magnanakaw. And that's a great job, because that can help you to bring the peace. Example, halimbawa kung walang pulis, yung mga criminal hindi natakot. Hindi na matakot yung mga criminal. So police is a blessing for us, because whenever we see police in our area, we are very peaceful in our mind, in our heart. Maging down na tahimik dahil alam na may police dito. And the police should be also trustworthy. Dapat yung police is to protect the people. If a policeman, intention niya, I am doing this, protecting the people for the sake of Allah, for the sake of God. And if he is killed by the criminal, martyr siya, he's a shaheed. Dahil yung intention niya, na ako ng police para kay Diyos, para kay Allah. I am police too, for the sake of my God, for sake of Allah. And his job is a great job. Na anong job ng police? To protect the people. Protection sa mga tao. So if he is doing it para kay Allah, hindi para sa sweldo. Okay lang, pero sa sweldo. But hindi yung intention niya sweldo. Ano intention niya? Gagawin ko ito protection ng tao para kay Diyos, para kay Allah. Kung pamatay siya sa yung duty niya, pariso siya. Pariso siya, walang judgment. Diretso siya sa pariso. Dahil ito na yung reward ng shahid. So as being a policeman, if your intention that you are doing it, your duty para kay Allah, para kay Diyos, maganda ito. Sigurado tagumpay ka. You are going to be successful, because you are doing this duty for the sake of Allah, and you will be always honest, and you will have no corruption. You will not be doing evil, because you always do good, because you're doing it for God. So you don't need anybody to watch you. You don't need any CCTV. Gagawin mo para kay Diyos, para kay Allah.